This is the question. We are to simplify 6 to the power 1 half times 96 divided by 96 to the power 1 fourth, or divided by 216 to the power 1 fourth. To solve this question, I'm going to rewrite this as 6 to the power 1 half times 96 to the power 1 fourth divided by 216 to the power 1 fourth. This is the same as the question that we had. Don't forget this 6 is also out of 1. So if you multiply this, you are going to get that. Yeah. And going further, we get 6 to the power 1 half multiplied by, and then over here I'm going to rewrite this as 96 divided by 216 all raised to the power 1 out of 4. All raised to the power 1 out of 4. It's the same thing. Yes, you can see the 96 over here was raised to the power 1 fourth, and then the 216 was also raised to the power 1 fourth. That's why we wrote them as that. Okay, continuing this, we are going to find the value of 96 divided by 216. If you know any common multiple, any common factor. Yeah, we are looking for a common factor, so I think 24 is a common factor. So 96 divided by 24, I think, is 4, and 216 divided by 24 is 9. So all of this to the power 1 out of 4. And then when we get to this point, I'm going to rewrite this 4 as 2 squared. So I'm going to get 6 to the power 1 half times the 4 is going to be 2 raised to the power 2, and then the 9 is going to be 3 to the power 2, and it's going to be to the power 1 fourth, which can be the same as 6 to the power 1 half times 2 squared to the power 1 fourth divided by 3 squared also to the power 1 fourth. So if we agree to this, yeah, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. If we agree to this, then we are going to get 6 to the power 1 half times 2. Here you can see that this 2 will divide the 4. So we are going to get 2 to the power of 1 half divided by, and we do the same thing here. This 2 divides the 4. We got going to get 3 to the power 1 half. So finally, we are going to get an answer as 6 to the power 1 half times 2 to the power 1 half. We can say all divided by 3 to the power 1 half, like that. And I'm going to do it this way. We can also write this as 6 times 2. They are all to the power 1 half, so it's more like giving them a common exponent, divided by 3 to the power 1 half. And we can also add that 3 in there to get something like 6 times 2 all divided by 3 to the power 1 half, because this is also to the power 1/2. And then finally we get something like, you can either multiply 6 by 2 to get 12 divided by 3, and 12 divided by 3 is 4, or you can divide this by 3 and divide this by 2. That way you get 2 times 2, which is also 4, and 4 to the power 1/2 is what? Okay, so 4 to the power 1/2 is the same as square root of 4, which is 2, but we're going to express this 4 also as 2 to the power 2 squared raised to the power 1 out of 2, which goes to be 2 to the power 2 out of 2, and we get the answer as 2 to the power 1. So that whole expression that was given over here, when you simplify, you are going to get the answer to be 2. Thank you very much. I will see you in our next video. Bye bye.